Okay, so hey everybody, I'm gonna make a quick video and it's kind of like 609 credit repair 1.1. It's not even part 2 yet because um I just sent the second round off on my own, like on February the 11th. So they have until March 11th to respond, and when I get ready to do that video, I will surely show the dates that it was sent off, the cost that I incurred. I got them notarized at UPS for $5. I could have spent, up to 60 words overnighting them with certified mail at UPS. I went to the local post office. That cost me $15. I had some responses to the first credit repair letters, and what really happened was some people didn't put in their email addresses correctly. I only had like one issue with that, and they text me. I sent it from my personal email address. I had another issue, and they did not put their email address was correct. I don't understand why they didn't, get theirs. But they text me, and like I said, I was on it within, 20 minutes or so from seeing their message. It was in their inbox. So my business number is 336-701-3550. That's 336-701-3550. I like to work from the hours from 8 to 5, but because I'm doing a lot of stuff to get my business up off the ground, I will read the text messages. You can text that number. I mean, I may text you back 1 minute after you texting me. If I'm busy, with my family after personal hours, I may actually text you later on in the night, 3 or 4 o'clock in the morning. You're gonna get your products. You're gonna get your letter. And I've only had 2 complaints. I've said that to say this, that I have also got text messages from people thanking me. Their scores went up over 100 points. Some people got it on first round. Some people got it on the second. And like I said, the $14.99 price, if you can get your point up, I don't care if it's 50 points. It's well worth the price, because these letters I spent, I kid you not, at least over $60 just for my letters alone. So what I'm telling you is that if you can spend $14.99 and get your credit score boosted, which will take you, a month or 2, 3, 4, probably 6 to get those points, hey, you need to do it and look up to that Experian Boost. Sign up for Experian Boost and put your bank card or whatever it is that you use to pay your bills with, because they'll pick up bills for you too. Anything you've paid 3 months in a row from signing up, you can boost your points every month. Please look into Experian Boost. Another tip, I also find an authorized user. That's another tip. I'll do a separate video on that, but just look into that so you know what I'm talking about when I post the video. But yeah, number is 336-701-3550. That's my business number, but a lot of that is forwarded straight to my phone. So even when I'm at home, 24 hours a day, I'm getting your messages. I've only had 2 to where I've had to send some more information out that they didn't get automatically. So also, $5 off CR. $5 off CR. Like and subscribe to my channel. Put in $5 off CR, and you can get those papers for $9.99 instead of $14.99. And the information that I'm giving really should be viral, because a lot of people are making mad bank off of just the purchases alone. And for me to have paid that much and really be offering it for $14.99, and as a thank you for liking, subscribing to my channel, giving $5 off, I mean, that's really, this is straightening out and giving you opportunities in your life. And I'm not even really charging anything for it, because I really just want the information to get to the people. But I'm trying to get a small come up off it too. To be real, I'm trying to get my channel out there. So when I present everything that I have to present, that I have out here for people, whatever area that's in, I want to be able, to be monetized at that point. So please don't pass me by if you feel like you've heard anything that's of value. And I'm gonna have a lot of other videos and topics out. Please like and subscribe to my channel, even if you don't buy the papers, if you don't need it. But if you need to repair your credit, I'm telling you to buy these papers or to share it to a friend or somebody that actually does need it, because I'm telling you, it's gonna be life-changing. And if you're going to take a chance on a lottery ticket or anything, and once in your life, you got $10 to just blow or waste on something or on a tip, the tip is to do, I laid it out there for you. I really can't say anything else. I appreciate all the watches and all of that. And like I said, like, subscribe. If you need the information, buy it. If you don't, share it. But we keeping it real here on my channel. So I just wanted to make a quick video off of that, because I'm on my personal time and, about to go in and enjoy my night. But I just wanted to hit everybody up and let them know that right now. So thank you for watching.